Hi, this is Patrick from INC Installs, and I'm excited to be partnering with Elcom to provide cabling and IT installation services.
Our most popular services are low-voltage infrastructure cabling for voice, data, and fiber optics. We help businesses get connected by wiring their offices, warehouses, factories, or schools. We also provide audio-video installations for projectors, LCD screens, smart boards, even digital signage. With thousands of on-call technicians, we have someone 50 miles from just about anywhere. Instead of our clients having to juggle the logistics of working with different techs in different cities, INC simplifies that process. We provide a single point of contact for installations at every location. Our dedication to our customers, strong communication, and proven process have awarded us the opportunity to work with numerous clients in many types of industries. For scalable installation services, that's INC.